Psalms. Chapter 4. For the chief musician, on stringed instruments. A psalm by David. Answer me when I call, God of my righteousness. You set me free in my distress. Be gracious to me and hear my prayer. You sons of man, how long will you shame my honor? Love what is worthless. Chase after a lie. Selah. But know that the Lord works wonders for his faithful one. The Lord will hear when I call to him. Be angry, but do not sin. Ponder in your heart, but be at rest on your bed. Selah. Offer the sacrifices of righteousness, and put your trust in the Lord. Many say, who will show us any good? Lord, lift up the light of your face upon us. You have put gladness in my heart, more than when their grain and wine and oil abound. In peace I will both lay myself down and sleep. For you alone, Lord, make me live in safety.